Hello, students. I'm back. Okay, so for part one of the personal loan assignment, we created this spreadsheet here, and I shared the formulas with you. So hopefully you had some good luck with that. And now we're going to talk about amortization. And amortization is how each payment goes to principal and interest. How much of each payment goes to the principal, which is what you borrowed, and then how much goes to interest, which is really the cost of borrowing. That's how much your creditor will make. So let's first go to this website, the amortization website. And we have a scenario down here for $2,000. And that's the amount that you're going to borrow, which is the principal, for 1 year at 12%. So those are the variables that we're going to enter in onto that website, 2001 and 12. So here we go. Loan type, we can just say it's personal. I'm going to type in 2000, 1 year. And what did we say the percent was? 12%, which is high, by the way. So I'm going to type in those on this website and hit calculate. And this is going to generate an amortization schedule. So it's going to tell you what your monthly payment is, how much you have to pay back in all, how much interest that the creditors make for lending you money. And then down here it shows you of this $178 that you pay each month, $158 goes to principal, which is what you borrow, and $20 goes to the interest. So when we come back here on this sheet, what is the monthly payment? You're going to enter that in, okay? It's $178. And then what's the total amount that you must repay at the end of the year? $2,132. What's the finance charge? $132. And then question 9 is how much of your first payment of $178 goes toward reducing your principal? So right up here, $158 does. That goes to the principal. All right. For the second part, you're going to enter in your own information, changing these variables. So it's a $200,000 home loan for 30 years at 3.5%. So we're going to come up here, type in 200,000, 30 years, 3.5%, then click on calculate. And there we have a new amortization schedule. This is your monthly payment. This is how much you have to pay back in all. This is the total interest paid. And what you notice is more money goes to interest than principal here, okay, because it's a longer term. And this is really how these banks make money. So you want to make sure you answer these questions here at the bottom and submit this document as well. So good luck with this. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Okay? Have a great day.